Hello, in this video, we show briefly how to use pipeline operator in R. So pipeline operator is connected with packages like tidyverse and dplyr. So there are many functions you can use pipeline operator. And with a pipeline operator, you can connect multiple functions together into a pipeline. So does not need any intermediate variables. So the operations can be looking compact. So next we show examples in RStudio. So first we have to load the tidyverse, or you can just load dplyr, but you have to install these two libraries first. Then if, say, we do not use pipeline, for example, we want to use a data called mpg. So first we use data mpg, then we show what is mpg. So it's the data frame of the car with the brand, model, and several characteristics of the car. So say we want to filter this data frame by the variable cty larger than 21. So first, if we do not use pipeline, we have to use filter function from dplyr, filter this data frame by this variable. So you can see temp is a new data frame, but this has reduced observations from the original mpg. So the cty larger than 21 here. Then we can also choose the first three observations from this temp one. We use a head function. So head temp one with 3. So this intermediate variable temp2 has only 3 observations, 3 rows, and all having cty larger than 21. Then we can print this data frame. So see now, if we want to use pipeline, for example, we will also use the data mpg, then we can just write previous 3 functions together with mpg with this pipeline. So this symbol is pipeline in R. So which means this is the argument or parameter passed to the next function in the pipeline. And this object will be the first parameter in the next function. So this is same as field mpg by cty larger than 21. And with a similar meaning, so we will pass first operation in this pipeline to the second one. So second is a head function, so which means the result of this one will be passed as the first parameter in this function. So the next parameter is 3, so we choose the first 3 observations in this function. Then pass again with the pipeline to print the result from the previous operations. So we just run. So now it's the same as the results we do not use pipeline. So the 3 observations in which cty larger than 21 from this original data frame are printed out. Thanks for watching.